Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get health widgets on lock screen. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get health widgets on your lock screen, so let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to go to your lock screen and here just keep a long press on your lock screen and then select the customize option, and here you have to tap on add widgets, and now just scroll down and you will get the health app. Simply tap on that and here you'll get different widgets which you can easily add to your lock screen. So for example, I'm going to add this one. Simply tap on it and it will be added. Not select anything else, so select that which you want, and in this way you can easily add widgets of your health apps on the lock screen. Once you have done, you have to tap on this done option and it will be automatically set it up. So that's how you can easily add health widgets on your lock screen in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.